This conference will now be recorded.
Now, today I will not give you any writing work. Close the books. First watch. Today, no writing work. You'll just keep on watching, hearing. Watch very crystal clear and focus. If you are not able to understand, please make sure that you raise your voice and you ask the question. If you're not able to understand, please raise your voice. Once again, today we will be starting admin development. Every development project, this is the base. Every development project, developer doesn't start the work first. Unless and until admin creates the base, developer cannot start the work. So any development project, first the base has to be created by the admins. That is what we are in now. So I'm going to create the base today. Based on this base, all your development will be dependent, right? So let's go ahead and start. Online guys, I believe it's clear. The same instruction even goes to you, right? Any given time, if you're not able to understand, don't keep quiet. Just raise it, right? If you're not raising any questions, doubts, I will proceed as normal, as if everything is going good. Later, don't come back and say that, sir, ardham kaledu. If you don't understand, now only you tell, because I'm preparing the base, right? It's a base preparation. So, yes, tell me. I know that I can't help. What do you want me to do? You tell me. Anything? I know there's a too much of echo, but there's nothing I can help, right? You guys are better than me, at least in AC. You see me, right? Chamta paddings, right? Okay. Now, right? Close the door. That's good. I will go slowly. Now, I'm logging in rupam@of109.com. Password CRM1234 hash. First thing that you're going to do is company will give you a logo. For example, you are implementing the solution for Apollo Hospital. Let's assume that you are in the project called Apollo Hospital or Taj Group of Hotels or SpiceJet. First thing is that ask for their logo. You don't download the logo, you don't create the logos. Clients are very sensitive on their brand. Remember that. Clients are very sensitive on their brands. Don't try to use your own designing talent, right? You will get a big blast from the client. Just go and say, right, for your project, can you give me your logo? We want to put your logo. Do you want logo in your project? He will say yes. Give me the logo. Let's assume that I'm downloading it. Doesn't mean that you will download. The logo is Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital logo. Apollo Hospital logo. I'm going to the images, right? I'm looking for Apollo Hospital logo. This is good, right? Right click, save as, right? PNG image. The image looks to be too big, right? I go to your SFDC folder. I look for OF109. I say Apollo Hospital logo 1. I will download a couple of logos, okay? No, okay. Let's say this one. Right click, save as. 2 is enough. Apollo Hospital logo 2. So Let's assume that these two logos were given to us by the client. Client has given us two logos. Now, first step, don't write, I'll give you tomorrow. Step one is to create a project, create a solution. Where can we create a project? For that, right, under platform tools, apps, app manager. Under platform tool, app manager. Click on new lightning app. What is your app name? Hospital management. What is development team? Don't just click there. Don't write anything. Next, complete end-to-end and hospital management solution. Where is the image? Logo, upload. The logo that we downloaded, the logo which is provided by the client. SFDC, OF109, and I take this logo. This is the logo of your project. Choose the color. Color also would be given to you by the client. Color code. They will give a color code like this. Copy and paste the color code. Don't try to match this color. You will never be able to match this color. So don't use your Sonta talents. Don't use your own talents. Right? So now I try to match the color. Can we? Do you think we can match this color? Okay, done. Not perfect match. Click. This is how it will look now. Apollo Hospital, hospital management. Click next. Let it be all defaults. Standard navigation. You want to access this software from phone and desktop, or only desktop, only phone. Let it be both so that they can access this software from both. Right? Let it be full. Don't disable anything. Right? Click next. Do you want to add any utility? Currently, we don't know how to build a utility, so we will keep it as it is. Click next. Do you want to add anything from the Salesforce CRM like accounts, contacts, leads? No. We don't want any CRM components. We will create our own. I keep it blank. I don't take anything. Suppose no, in my project, I need case. Apollo Hospital could have a case. Apollo Hospital can have a case. I want case. You can select case. Scroll down, look for case. You can say select. Case will be added to your Apollo Hospital project. But as I told you, we will not take anything. We'll create a blank project. So I don't select anything. Click next. Do not be in a hurry to hit save. Even after telling so many times, tomorrow somebody will come and say, Kanpadatledu. I created an app, Ravatledu. If you hit save, this app will not be visible. For which profile this app has to be visible is a question. At least minimum select system admin, because you are a system admin. No, minimum select that this app should be accessible by whom? System administrator. If required, add everyone. Add everyone. All the profile can access this app now. Hit save. One project got created. An empty project called as hospital management got created. It's a lightning app. Lightning project got created. Next time when I refresh my screen, when I click on app manager, right? When I click on view all, I should be able to see a new project coming up called as Apollo Hospital with this logo. Everyone clear? How to create a project? How to create a project? This is an empty project. When you click on it, nothing will come. It will say awkward. Well, this is an awkward because it's an empty project. There is no tabs, there is nothing inside it. Clear, everyone? We created a blank project. To this project, we'll be adding our own tables, our own designs, our own buttons, our own everything, our own. Something like we are deploying it for Apollo Hospital. We are creating a project for Apollo now, right? In real time, you don't work on that sales, service, marketing. In real time, this is the way you work. If you are assigned to a SpiceJet project, you'll be able to see a SpiceJet logo and it will say SpiceJet. Whenever you click on it, it will show you booking, passengers, flights, arrival, flight departure, route planning, right? Route planning, staff planning, right? Pilot planning, so many things will be there. All these we have to build as per client requirement. Here, for the training purposes, this is one of the project that we'll be implementing. All the concept we will learn using hospital management because everyone knows how a hospital works. Simple project. Everyone knows how a hospital works. Other than this, you will also get two more projects towards the end of the course. One dummy, which you will do end to end. Whatever I'll be doing in the 3 months, same thing you will do with a new project, and one real time. Clear? So total 3 projects we'll be dealing with. One during the classroom, 2 at the end of the course. Going forward, there is nothing called bunking classes. Anybody thinking for bunking classes? Remember that? Next class chukkals. Then don't come to me and tell me that, not able to understand. I want to call this out very clearly. Because going forward, nothing called go to account. Suddenly you will see something called as operation. Adi ekkadi nunchi vachindi, ela vachindi, nobody knows. That is the reason you have to know how it came, where it came, what is inside that patient, what is inside that operation. You should know there are a lot of validation rules. So many things will create now. Clear? So first step, create a project. A project got created. Perfect. Do you want me to show again? Yes. Let's assume that you are doing a project for a SpiceJet. First thing is that have a logo. I'm downloading the SpiceJet logo. In real time, this logo will be given to you by, right? This is good. Oh, no. This is good. This is good. Save as. Whatever the logo they want, we are not here to decide that logo. Right? So I will say SpiceJet, SJ logo. Right? I close it. Close. First step, setup. Under platform tools, apps. Under app manager. Click on, don't create connected app. I'll talk about it later. What is that? Lightning app. Name. Airline management. Client is SpiceJet. Software name is not SpiceJet. Software is Airline Management 2.0. That's the project name. Airline Management 2.0. Right? AIRLINE. Airline SpiceJet. Upload the image. Look for the logo that was given to you. So I select this. Perfect. Match the color. Click next. Click next. Click next. Do you want to take anything from the Salesforce CRM? No. Click next. Don't hit save. At least add one profile. Minimum one profile you have to add. Also, we created a hospital supervisor, no? So how many profiles I've added? 3. Standard user, system admin. Click save. Today only watch game. Tomorrow I'll give you the definition. I'll not give you the step, but I'll give you what is the app. Definition of app. Next time when you refresh, you should be able to see next solution coming up called as airline management SpiceJet solution. See, now there are 2 solutions to you. You can click on airline management. It will give you a blank solution and it will say, hello, this is awkward. The app doesn't have any navigation item. You can't access them. Obviously, there is nothing. Flickering now or munde? Ippadena? Right? Is it okay? Still viable? అనుకుంటున్నాను ఫ్యాన్ తిరుగుతుంది కదా ప్రొజెక్టర్ ముందు అందుకే ఆ ఫ్యాన్ ది షాడో ఇస్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆన్ దట్ లైట్ షాడో రైట్ లెట్స్ సీ I don't know which fan it is. This one. అబ్బా ఈ ఫ్యాన్ ఆపుతారా మీకు ఏసీ నాకు ఫ్యాన్ కూడా ఉండకూడదా అది వస్తుందమ్మా కరెంట్ పోయిందా పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ అయిపోతే చెప్పండి we will on it no problem right okay till here everyone is clear how to create an app perfect now let's go to our project what we created is called as Apollo Hospital. We'll focus only on this, not on the airline management. Now inside this I need to create a lot of tables. Before I start dumping the data I need to create a tables. For example, the first core table is patient. As soon as in a hospital a patient walks in, I need to capture the patient first name, last name, date of birth, father's name, mother's name, brother's name, pakkinti wife name, right? All these details you have to capture, right? So to capture all these, I need to store them in a table, right? Where is the table? So let's go ahead and create a table first. To create a table, setup, right? Right? Objects and fields. Under platform tools, you'll go to objects and fields. You will click on object manager. Object means table. In Salesforce, object means table. So I go ahead and I say create custom table, custom object. Create custom object. Everybody clear? Under what is that? You have to go to your setup. Under that, objects and fields, object manager, right? Setup. When you are in setup, scroll down under platform tools. First step was app, which we already did, app manager. Now, no more work for now. Now go to the objects and fields, click on object manager, right? Click on create custom object. Create custom object. Give the table name patient. Patient. Table name is patient table. What is the plural name? Right? Plural name is patients. S, more than one. Patients. Right? System will create a table called as patient. Description. System will create a table called as patient. Description. To store patient data. Right? Somebody needs help. Do you have any help page? There is a help page for accounts, contacts, how to delete an account, how to create a contact, how to link. Do you have any help page for patient? No. We will create one. Not now. When we come to Visualforce page, we'll create one. We'll create pages. Now we are not creating a page. So currently I'm saying that no, I don't know how to create a page. So point help to the standard Salesforce help. It'll open Salesforce help where you'll be able to find account, contact, but you'll not be able to find anything related to patient, right? Perfect. So let it be that. By default, you cannot create an empty table without a single column. A table creation require minimum one column. Table means oka column అని ఉండాలి కదా. One field has to be there. By default, system will create a field called patient name. I will say no. We will create a field called as patient registration number. Patient registration number. I want this field to be auto generated. Automatically the number has to be generated. From here, I will select auto number. All the numbering has to be in a flower bracket. All the numbering has to be in a flower bracket. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. How many digit numbers I have taken? 5-digit number. From where do you want to start? You want to start from 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, or you want to start from 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then immediately the first patient you create will get a number called as 100. Second patient will get 101, 102, 103, 104. Like this, system will generate. What will happen from 0 to 100? You know, God knows. That number will never be allocated to anyone because your starting number is 100. System will skip 0 to 99. It will start from 100 if I put this. Clear? Now, along with 100, I want Apollo Hospital. Along with this number generation, I want Apollo Hospital. My number will generate like Apollo AH. How this number will be generated? As soon as you create a first patient, system will generate AH 00 100. This is the way system will generate. It's on the top. This is the way the system will generate the number. Second patient number AH 00101. Right? Dash. I want today's month. No, we'll not take date. We'll take year. Why? How this will generate a number? As soon as you create a patient, system will generate 03 2021 03 2021 Next month, when you create a patient, system will generate AH-00102-042021. Next month, suppose on 5th of next month, you created a patient. Immediately, this is the way the number will generate. Right? What else I can use? You can use only number and date. That's it. For now, you can use number and date. Can I generate vehicle registration number with this? You see that all the new cars and vehicles you purchase, RTA, Road Transport Authority, Rangareddy, RTA Rangareddy at Attapur. You go for a registration number, you'll get a number TS07 FX 9700. Next car will get a number TS07 FX 97001 002, like this 9999 TS07 TS Telangana State 07 FX. This is my vehicle number 9700, my car number. Like this, next. The last number TS07 FX 9999 in this series. Whenever this 999 is over, next number will be TS07 FY. After X, Y comes. Next number 0001. Like this 002, 003, 007. After that it will become 9999. Next number TS07 FZ. Here also 001, 002, 003, right? 040, whatever the numbers. Last number is 999. Next number, right? Okay, this is Z now. Z is over. What is the next number? TS07, right? GA. After FG comes. Then this will keep on rotating. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, X, T, U, V, X, Y, Z, Z. After Z, this G will change to H, HA. This is the way the Telangana state number plates are getting generated. Every combination has 1000. Every combination have 1000 vehicles. In FZ, you will find 1000. In GA, 1000. GB, 1000. GC, GD, 1000. That means, right, how many vehicles can be created? 25. How many? 26 alphabets are there. 26 into 1000, 26,000 into 26,000, because again there is a one more alphabet is there. So 26,000 into 26,000 vehicles can be created under 07. When 07 is over, then they will start 08, 09. Again in 09, the series will keep on going. This is the way, right? This is the way the number generate. Now, why I'm showing you this? In Salesforce, through admin, can I generate this number series? No. Salesforce cannot use dynamic alphabets. Through admin, is it not possible? No, I'm not saying not possible through Salesforce. Through Apex programming, it's possible. Through administration, you cannot generate dynamic alphabets. You can change dynamic numbers, dynamic dates, but not after X, Y, Z. Alphabets cannot be dynamically generated. Able to understand? We cannot generate. See, AH is standard. It will not change. So it's a static. What is changing? Numbers are changing. What is changing? Date and year is changing. But my requirement is What is to change? Alphabets. Through admin, we cannot have alphabets dynamically change. Ardhamainda Leda. Yes or no? Right? Here you see that can we generate without this? Yes. Because TS is standard, it will never change. Static. Here also A is static. This number never change. Static. So you can put it. What is changing? The number. If you want, we can generate number like this, but we cannot generate a number with a dynamic alphabets. Through admin, dynamic alphabets is not possible. Interview questions, you have to be careful. Can I generate a number with a dynamic alphabets, changing alphabets? Answer is absolutely no through admin. Through auto numbering, no. Can I do it with programming? Yes. In programming, you can generate anything. Clear? Why we need a programming? This is the reason why we need a programming. Things which you cannot do through admin, we'll use programming to do that work. Clear now? Yes? Perfect. So this is how I'm generating my number, right? AH, 5-digit number, followed by month, year, right? Next. Do you want to allow reports? Right? We created reports. You remember 4 types of reports are there. So do you want to create a report on this table? Yes. Do you want to allow activities? Yes. Like send email, right? Meeting, task. Do you want to track the field history? Yes. What is this? Who is changing the data? Audit. I have a field called as phone number. I have inserted a phone number called as 999. Somebody change it tomorrow to 888. After that, somebody change it to 333. Now you want the original. How will you get it? How do you know who changed? All those are called tracking. Do you want to talk about this record in the chatter? Yes. Do you want bulk sharing? Yes. Do you want bulk API access? While data load, you check a box, bulk API. In a data loader IO, in a workbench, there was a small checkbox called bulk. I told you, whenever you check that bulk API, what will happen? Right? I told you that, ignore that. We'll talk about that checkbox later, I told, if you remember. Whenever you want to upload a bulk data, millions of record, then, right, we use bulk API process. Would you access this table to be exposed to load millions of data? Yes. We'll come to this when you come to the programming. What is a bulk API application programming? For now, loading millions of data, unlimited, uncounted data to be loaded on this table. Yes. Do you want streaming API? Integration class, streaming API, live streaming. If you change data, it changes in the table. Immediately in the page also data will change. That is called live streaming. Do you want streaming? Yes. Where do you want to put it? In development or deployed? I'll say in development. Do you want to allow search? Yes. Where is the search? Here on the top. Can you see here? On the top, search. So I can search anything here. I can search a patient. If you don't check that box, if you put a patient called as Shah Rukh Khan, system will say, sorry, no record found. So yes, in this table, I want to allow search. Do you want to add notes and attachment? Yes. Don't check the last box. Click save. A backend table got created. A backend table got created. A backend table got created. Right? What is the table name? Patient __ C. Remember this. Table name is not patient. Whenever you add a custom table, system adds __ C to it. The way we have been adding 9922 to make us understanding that this message was created by us. Just to make you understand. Same way, system also wants to make itself understanding that this is not a CRM table. This is a table created by the developer. Hence, it will add __ C. Every table you create, system will be adding underscore underscore C, double underscore C. Clear now? Everybody clear? Now a table got added. Backend. We have to bring that table to the front end. We have to bring that table. Backend, the table is there. Now I have to create a front end so that I can connect the table, and whatever I enter in the front end should go to the back end. To connect this table to the front end, the third step. First step, create an app or a project. Second step, create tables. I just created one. Like this, I have to create what? Operations, diagnostic, right? Fees and payments, doctors or employees. Like this, I have to create multiple tables, which I'll do it. Now I'm showing you only one table. The same process, I will create lot of tables like this, one after one, one after one, one after one. Clear? Now let me show you end to end. One table is created. How the table will get the data? From where it will get the data? The table need to be accessible to the front end. How to create a front end? Right? To create a front end, user interface. How do you enter a data? Through UI only, right? So I go to the user interface. I will look on tabs. User interface, tab. User interface, tabs. Guys, everybody is able to understand? Yes.
Rupam, question.
So tell me.
What happens when the max of the 5-digit number is reached?
What happens? It'll give an
What
error.
Okay, so
You have to
then
go and
suppose.
modify that number system again.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Perfect. Right? Okay. Now, tab. There are 5 types of tabs available. Object tab, web tab, Visual Force tab, Lightning component tab, Lightning application or Lightning page tab. 5 tabs are available. We just created what? Object. We will select what? Custom object tab we'll select. Remaining we'll see later. Don't worry, I'll not leave anything untouched. Everything will be done. Currently, we created a custom table. We created a custom table. So I will take what? Custom object tab. I click on new custom object tab. Which key should I use to see full screen? Control plus F plus G plus A plus M plus O plus Q plus R minus T, enter. That's the key. Okay, just joking, okay? Don't press these many keys. Okay, right? So now I click on the object, right? I click on the object. I click on patient. I just created this table, if you remember. In the step 2, I created a table called as patient. Now I'm linking that table to the front end, UI. That is the reason I'm under UI, user interface, right? Right? User interface, right? Okay, perfect. So UI, right? What is the tab style? Tab style. These are predefined styles available to you. You can choose anything, right? No, I want to put my pick. Create your own style. Choose your own color, whichever you like. Right? Insert your own image. Rupam, what is this actually? Just we'll keep it aside, right? I'm closing it, opening a new tab, right? Whenever you go to your Salesforce CRM, Whether you go to service marketing, I go to the marketing app, right? I click on lead. Can you see the icon here? Right? When I open a lead, Bhanu Prakash, right? So in Lightning, you don't see the difference. You just see the icon. When I go to contact, can you see the icon? What is the color? Blue. Same thing when I change to classic. Wait, I'll show you what is that. I click on lead. What is the tab color? Yellow. What is the icon? There is a green icon. When I open Bhanu Prakash, can you see yellow line? All the lines are yellow, 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 yellow lines. Now I click on contact. The tab is purple. The tab is purple. When I open a contact called Abhilash Reddy, all the lines are purple, purple, purple. I go ahead and click on opportunity. It is golden yellow. This is the icon. When I open an opportunity called as Bollywood Saif Ali Khan, everything is golden yellow line. See, golden yellow line. Able to understand what I'm saying? When I say campaign, here also yellow, right? Yellow, yellow, dirty fellow. Okay. So I click on accounts. What is the color? When you open an account, you see that blue line. This is called style. And that's exactly where we are. Right click, close. Tab style. What color, what design you want? You have complete icons list available. You can see that complete list of icons. I'm zooming in, zooming left, zooming right, whichever suits to you. So let's say that for us, this suits because I see a people icon, right? I select. Next time, whenever you click on patient, you'll get what color is this? Not brown. In my screen, it looks as okay for you brown, no? So brown. Whenever you click on the patient tab, you should be able to see. You would be able to see brown lines, and the icon is this. Do you have any type of links to open? Leave it. To capture patient information. Everybody clear? I click next. For which profile? For all the profile. No problem. Click next. For which solution? Uncheck everything. Patient, do you want to be available in sales service marketing? No. You want only in hospital management. Do you want this to be available in airline? Then check airline. I want to link this only to hospital. Able to understand? Now I click on save. Done. Next time, after 20 minutes, when I open the hospital management solution, I should be able to see this tab coming up there after 20 minutes. Nobody have that patience to wait, right? I want immediately right now. If you want immediately right now, then what you have to do? Go back to the app manager, click on app manager. You have created an app called as hospital management. Here it is, right? This is the app that you created. Click on it, click on the down arrow, click on edit. If you remember that while creating the app, we didn't selected any tabs. We don't want any CRM components, we told. Remember? Right? No, I'm once again editing my app. Let it come. Come to the navigation item. From that list, look for patient, 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 patient. 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 Add it to the right side. Got it now? Do you want orders, opportunities? No, we don't want. You can pick up anything from the existing software. But we decided that we will not take anything from the CRM. We will create our own. So we created our own, and then I added it to my project and I click on save. Over. Right? Now I will come out of this. There's a back button. Now next time when you go to your app manager, view all, we open the app called as hospital management. I should be able to see a tab called as patient coming up now. Internet? Yes, we lost the internet. Yes, online guys, we lost the internet and we are back again. Right? Perfect. Can you hear me online guys? Is it clear?
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes,
So you can see my screen. Check your internet connection. Try again. Refresh.
Yeah.
Now let's refresh. See, hospital management, and we got our own custom tab called as patient. We got our own custom tab called as patient. The background color is the one which we choose while creating the solution. There also we have chosen a color, Apollo color I was matching with a green. And when you click on patient, you see that icon comes here. Right? Shall we click on new? New patient. There's nothing, blank form, except the patient registration number, because I told you in the table there is only one field. As soon as I hit the save button, immediately one patient registration number got generated. AH 100 03 2021, because there's only one column, one field. Now let us add more fields to it. In the table, we'll keep on adding fields. Guys, clear till here? Yes. 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 No. How many no's? Don't look at others. How many no's? Okay. Fine. Clear till here? Perfect. What we did, created an app. First step. Second step, created a table. During table creation, we created a field because minimum one field has to be there. So system has given an option to create a text field or an auto number field. We have chosen auto number. Whenever you want dynamic, all the dynamic has to be in the flower brackets. Dynamic can be date, month, numbers, years. That's it. So we have taken number. Number is 000. Then I gave, right? Then I gave what? Starting number. We created the table with one column, right? Then we came to the tab. Under user interface, tab. I see that there are 5 types of tabs available. Out of that, we have chosen what? Custom object tab, because we created a custom object. We selected the table, patient, click next. It asked me for a style. Choose anything whichever you like. Inky, pinky, ponky, father has a donkey. Wherever it stops, choose it for now. Then we click next, all profile. Then we click next. We unchecked everything and we checked only hospital management. This tab has to be linked to hospital management. Then I hit save. That step is done. Then we should go for a biryani and we should come back 20 minutes. Because in this class we cannot do, and there are so many people and I can't fund all the biryani, right? So what we did, we directly went to app manager. We tried to locate our app called hospital management. Nothing on the screen. I'm just telling you on the air so that you should remember, you should take it from the air like an Airtel signal. Grasp it. So we went to the app manager. We went ahead and searched for our app called hospital management. Towards the right side, we got a drop down button which I clicked. I got an edit there. I clicked on edit. My app builder page opened up. On the side, there's a navigation. I went to the navigation. I looked for the tab, scroll down. All the tabs are visible. Account, contact, leads, opportunity, users, everything. I scroll down. I look for the patient. I click the right arrow to push it to the other box. I click save. And then I clicked on app manager, clicked on my app called as hospital management. And this is where I am. This is where I am. Automatically the tab is visible. Why didn't I show you through the screen? Because I want you to remember exactly the same way. In interview, you have to tell in this way only. In the air only, you have to tell him. Right? There you'll not have a screen. So you should be able to remember. That's the reason I also explained you in that way. Clear till here? Now, in this table, the table is now linked to the front end, to the tab. Through a tab, the table is linked. Automatically, system did that. We did not do anything. No programming required. Directly, tab to the table is now linked. Right? Now, we don't have fields in this. We'll be creating fields. To create a field, setup. My setup is coming up. Where should I create the field? We should create in the table, not in the tabs. Field has to be there in the table. I scroll down, objects and fields, object manager. This time I will look for the object that I created. All are standard objects. Standard object means system. Where is my object? All are system object. Don't worry, my object will be there. My object is a custom object, remaining all system. I open my table. I click on fields and relationship. I go to the fields and object. I click on object manager, scroll down, look for your table, click on your table opens up. Is it table? Yes, is a table. In Salesforce, this is the way you will be accessing the table. Right? Now, I click on fields and relationship. Right? By default, the first field name is always name. When you go to the backend, when you really go to the Oracle database and you open the table, you will be able to see what? Name. In the front end, the label is called as Patient registration number, that's the label. Label can be different, field name can be different. Got it? Right? Now, I click on new button. New. What do you want to create? There's a lot of data types available now. Our is, we will start with a text data. I'm selecting text. Text. Right? I click next. What is the label? I will say patient first name. Patient first name. How many characters do you want to accept? First name can be up to 60 characters. Description. To capture help text. Whatever you type here, it will be available in the front end as an exclamation mark. So this message will be visible in the front end. This message will not be visible. Whatever I type in the help text will be visible in the front end. Please enter the first name correctly. Do not enter abbreviations. Do not enter abbreviations. Right? Or short name. Please enter first full and complete. Please enter full and complete first name correctly. Do not enter abbreviation or short name. I've given a help text. Where it will be visible, we'll see now. Do you want this field to be compulsory? Yes. Then there will be star mark. Without filling this field, the way in account name is compulsory. Way in contact last name is compulsory. In lead last name and company is compulsory. Right? So star mark fields. Here is a star mark. Do you want to be unique? No. There could be two Srinivas. If you check this box, first time you enter Srinivas, it will take it. Second time you enter Srinivas, it will say, sorry, already Srinivas there. Duplicate check. So I will say no. Do you want to set this on an external ID? External ID. Already we created a patient registration number unique. Right? Do you want to treat name as an ID? If you want, you can check it. Right? By default, do you want this field to be loaded with some data? As the page load, I want here some text to be loaded. I'll say no. Don't worry, I'll do it in the next one. You'll understand. Now I click next. Right? For which profile? All the profiles should be able to access. Click next. For which page layout? Rupam is not telling page layout. In profile also there was a page layout. There also he skipped. Now also he's skipping. Right? Don't worry, I'll tell when time comes. So patient layout. Click on create. Yes, I know online, so don't worry about it. Click save. Right? Array, click save. Okay, looks like that it's not liking me. Once again, fields and relationship, right? Already it's created. That's the reason it's not creating again. You see that first name got created. Now, again, I will say new. Again, I'll click on new. Let's go one by one. We will leave this column for now. Checkbox. In the page, I want a checkbox. I click checkbox. I click next. Right? What is that? Registration fee paid. Registration fee paid. Answer is checked. That means in the page, I'll get a checkbox with a checkbox with a check. Click next. Click next. Don't do anything. Click save or click on save and new. I click on save and new. Save and new. Next. What is the next field? Currency. Now I'm going in a serial order. Currency. Right? Tell me, what is the currency field can in a patient table? I will say registration fee. What is the field name? Registration fee. You can enter how many digit number? I will say 10-digit number with 2 decimal places. Is it compulsory? Registration fee? Yes. Do you want as the page load, do you want certain value to be preloaded? Yes, 300. I want system to load 300. So default value is set to what? 300. Do you want to write a description? Blah, blah, blah. Do you want to write a help text? Whatever you write in the year, it will be visible in the front end. Right? So click next. Click next. Click save and new. Enough. Let us see what we developed so far. This is my development screen. I right click. I open a new tab. My new tab comes. Guys, able to understand yes or no? I click on app manager. I click on view all. I click on hospital management. It takes 20 seconds to 20 minutes to reflect those changes here. Right? I click on new. Let's see. Perfect. See. Patient first name we created. Can you see an exclamation? I told you whatever you enter in the help text will be visible here. See, enter full name, full and complete first name correctly. Do not enter abbreviation or short name. With an exclamation, it's coming up. Right? Registration fee paid, a checkbox. Because you said it's required, there's a star mark and the field is coming up. Patient name, Rahul. Registration fee paid, yes. You created a field called as registration fees, a currency field. Automatically system showing $300 because you said default to 300. Can I change it to 250? Can I change it to 700? Yes. I click on save. A patient called Rahul got created in my system. Able to understand? Yes or no? How many of you know?
Yes, yes,
Serious.
Rupam.
Jokes apart.
Yes.
Offline. I'm coming to you later. First, always offline. Offline. All good? Fine? Yes? Perfect. Online. Tell me. Yes, online. You can speak now.
Hi Rupam, this is Rocky. I just wanted to
Yes,
check.
tell me.
Yeah, I just wanted to check. This is the front end, system that we are creating for the hospital employees to create. patients, correct?
Right, that's correct.
Okay, so are we going to create a page for the customer wherein customer
Yes,
can
we will
go
do
to a
that. Customer
okay,
facing page,
okay,
customer self-registration we'll create later. Now we
okay,
are creating only for internal use of the hospital.
okay, fair enough. Okay, understood. Thank you.
Right. Welcome. Next, any question? Online, any question?
No, Rupam, go ahead.
Yes. Any question?
Rupam, if I want to edit the field name,
You want to edit the field name,
yeah,
right? Perfect. Go here, click cancel. You are back. You want to edit the patient first name, click here, click edit, right? You want to enter patient first name E, you can
okay,
click
thank
on
you.
save, it will save. Perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Any other doubts? Perfect. Yes, offline, someone. Whenever we start a development project, this will be the first activity that we do. We in real time, we don't take any existing contacts, convert it to, see, conversion is always difficult. It's just not the label change that you will change contact to patient. It's just not the label change. Inside the table, there are a lot of unnecessary fields are there, which you might not need. So you have to delete it, right? So there's a lot of disturbances. It's better that you create a fresh table as per your requirement. And this will be given to you in the project requirement document. How many such tables you have to create, how many fields you have to create, what is the field type, whether it's a number, whether it's a phone, whether it's an email, whether it's a text, whether it's a numeric, whether it's a longitude, latitude, whether it's a link, hyperlink. Whenever somebody clicks on it, it should take to facebook.com. All these field types will be defined in the project requirement documentation. So how often we create? In the development we create. Once we create, we don't create table again. Later, if a new requirement comes, for example, Government of India has introduced Aadhaar card. While creating the project, Aadhaar was not there as a part of my field list. But now it says Aadhaar is mandate for all patients. They will raise a change request. You'll open the table, you'll click on new, right? You will give a label called, you will select number because that's a number field. You will select Aadhaar card is a, how many number? 12 digit. So you will take 12, click next, Aadhaar card number is created.
Rupam, but this new field will.
Online,
Yeah.
wait. No, activities already we checked it. You see that when I go to the patient, right here it is. Already activities are coming up in the patient. See, new activities, new tasks, more. See, email. Automatically this function got added. That will be there in the project requirement document. No, that you will get an option while selecting. By now you know, by this till yesterday, you know what are the things available now. Whatever you want to take account, then I told you how to bring account. So whatever you want, you have a check boxes to take it, right? Everywhere it's giving an option. Getting it? Activity, it gave you option. Do you want activities? Do you want to talk about this customer in chatter? So it's giving an option. Do you want reporting to be allowed on this table? If you don't like it, uncheck it. Getting it? So Salesforce is giving you a complete option when you create a custom table so that you can link it to existing one. Choosing is your job. If your project doesn't need it, don't choose it. That decision we will not take. Right? I'm a Mestri. That's it. Illu kattadam design is owner's work. Owner will tell me to build a pillar, I'll build a pillar here. right? My work is not to make sure that the pillar is coming in the center of the screen. That the planner has to design it. Why you're telling me? I'm a mestri, bricku, itkalu, cementu. I'll come and work. That's it. You want me to plaster this wall? I'll do it. So this is we are laborers, software laborers. Whatever the client gives the requirement, we'll build it. That's it. Any other question? Yes, online. Tell me.
Hi, Rupam, I have.
Tab, new contact and new opportunity are displayed over there at the top.
Speak louder. I'm not able to hear, lady.
Why are the tabs new contact and new opportunity are displayed over there at the top?
Those are coming by default. We can remove it.
Okay.
Right? We'll remove it. We just started creating it. No, we have to customize it a lot. In the next couple of classes, we will go in depth. Right? Perfect. Any other question online?
Yes, Rupam, you have given an example of this Aadhaar card number. Okay.
We'll do the validation later.
No.
If you're
I'm not
talking about the validation.
No, not talking about validation. I just wanted to understand. Let's say my project is started. 1 month has gone live in my project, and later on there is a change request wherein this hospital management wants me to add this Aadhaar card number.
Got it. Go ahead.
Yeah. So I want to know, for example, what will happen to the previous customers. This addition of this field will only be applicable for new or all the.
Obviously, no. It will be applicable for everyone. But when you open the old customers, the field will be blank. For example, I created a first number called 100.
Correct.
Right? First number called 100. Then later I added a field called as first name, right? Registration fee. Now what should happen to those records? Go ahead and open.
Okay.
Right? 100. They will be blank. See, patient name is blank. Even though it's a compulsory field. I said first name is compulsory. But before, guys, even to you guys, listen here, everyone. Right. I created a record called as 100. When I created 100, first patient, that time there was no field called as first name. Right? Later, I created a field called as first name and I made it compulsory. Right? First, I created a form, right? And then 1,000 patient was registered. After that, government said Aadhaar card is mandate. You introduce a new field called Aadhaar card with a star mark. Question happens is that what should happen to all the existing customer, right? All the existing customer, it will be null. It will blank. Unless and until now you see that this record I created when the field name was not there. Till the time you don't disturb this record, it will not disturb you. As soon as you go ahead and say registration fee 300, you hit save, immediately you say sorry, we hit a snag. First name is compulsory. If you say no, I don't want to touch, cancel. If you don't make any change to this record, it will not disturb you. Right? Now, same thing. Let's assume one more scenario. I created a form without a registration number. After creating 100 patients, suddenly my company said me that, hey, why can't we create a registration number automatically? Yes. Now you create an auto number field. Whenever you are creating an auto number field in that list, all right, 1 minute. Okay, so whatever you do, whatever you see, right? While you create, when I go here, when you click on new, if I select auto number, that's the reason I didn't start it with it, but anyhow, there's an auto number. Whenever I select auto number, I click next. System will give you an option to generate auto number for the existing record. So if there are already 200 patients there, so don't worry about it. You check this box. System will start from the date of creation. From there, it will pick up the record, who created when first, and then it will assign the number. Then the new patient, now today you create a new patient, you will see number will start from 201. Because 100 to 200, it has already created, allocated to the existing patient. So Salesforce is giving you a complete option, so don't worry about it. Right? Anyhow, fine. We will continue tomorrow. Everybody is able to understand? Yes.
Yep.
Thank you guys. Have a nice and wonderful day. Take care. Sorry, online guys, no more doubts. I have a meeting right now. I need to go. Okay. Thanks, guys. Keep your doubt for tomorrow. I'll answer tomorrow online. Thank you.